I don't know what's happened to my nail. I have nail fungus. This is the product we're gonna use. It's called Scholl Fungal Nail, a 2-in-1 treat and prevent. Let's open it up. So basically it comes, there's hardly anything in there, it's just this. So what this is this is the files. Right, I'll pull one out right now. And after each use, you throw it away. So that's the file on the back. That is the serum that's gonna do the magic. It's gonna work the magic. So basically what you need to do, and we'll do it to you, bro, is file it down. So obviously once you wash your hand and whatnot, it's file finger down. Did I say finger? I meant nail. File the nail down. You throw this away, and they've given you like 4 or something. And we'll see how it works. But yeah, that is the Scholl Fungal Nail 2-in-1. So that's the nail right there now, right? Clean it off with a tissue. Now we just apply this. That screws off. And just apply it. That's it, you just leave it to dry. It says don't touch the skin. If it goes in your skin, just wipe it off, but just keep it away from your skin. Shut the lid. And that is the Scholl Fungal Nail 2-in-1. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, follow the journey. I thought I'd just, if it's a product, why not put it out there, eh? Don't know if that's focusing, but yeah, just do that. Over and out.